Basically, the video is about me blabbering about using Python to debug a code so that it could be like an accessible script, like so that Python could run it through. I don't even know what I'm saying, but yeah, this is basically what I do in the entire video. I just firstly don't speak because I was like trying to decide whether or not to speak, but I ended up speaking, and it just went on about me blabbering about doing this thing called debugging for the first time. I could make my PDF come to life, and I did make multiple PDFs come to life. And it's also about me talking about turning this into a vision, like a nonprofit business where I share the same inspiration for girls who like want to be in their era, like girly era, like university or college students who need some sort of motivation when they don't feel motivated and they need like routines to stay disciplined. So this video was basically me blabbering about using my Python to make my PDFs, and also like I think I have videos to cover this once I know exactly what I want to do with this channel after I've posted it. I have to invest more into this hobby, not just, keep on wishing that I knew stuff when I could just learn them, I have the resources. Now I can do and learn cool things. We're almost done with this stage of reserve font. Just replacing it. I think I have more to replace. Like I have Debugging Process bold, but I don't think that is all. Let's look for another one. Deja Vu Sheriff Bold. Okay, there isn't none. Okay, now we can save this as a Python file. All we have to do is just put .py there at the end and save, replace. And then we're gonna go to Python and see if it has the updated, let's go look at it. Date modified. I hope it's the new one. Date modified, it's today. Time is, I cannot see the time, but I hope, let me see, properties. Why do I keep doing this to myself? I could have just checked. Modified, yes, just now. Now that is correct. Now we shall go to Python. Command script, that is where we are. Python. And just put that in here. Oh shit. What is the problem now? It's in line 342 times Roman. Let's go look at it. 342, line 342. I'm close. I think it's the 9. I think. if it's not like a certain number. Now we can go save and replace again. .py like before, so that it is saved as a Python file. Replace the wrong one and open Python. Let's try again. I will not stop until I get this right by myself. Shit. What is the problem now? Oh, I see. I forgot something. Why do I keep making such small mistakes? But whatever. That is how we learn. .py. Save. Replace. Go back to Python. Do this again. Oh shit. What is wrong? Line 670. Okay, now this is in line 670 and not just 341. So let's go there. Line 670. This is it, isn't it? 670. But I feel like, okay. Maybe I shouldn't have removed the 9. But let's see what I can do. 670. Oh. Is this the problem? Okay, one more time. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I keep making these mistakes. .py. Save. Replace again. I don't know how many times you're gonna keep replacing this. Let's see if it has renewed. Pretty sure it has. Open Python again. Where was the problem now? Missing one, requirement positional argument size, line 342. Canvas font missing one required, okay. Okay, I think it's the 9 that I removed. Like, you remember that .9 thing? Line 342. 342. There it is. You're supposed to put a comma, space, 9, I think. I'm not sure. I'm not really an expert or whatever. Just something that I noticed. You say if you pay attention to something you love, you get it right along the way, or you'll learn how to. Let's open Python again and try one last time. If I don't get it this time, I'm ending this video. Yes, and we did it. You see that? Done. The girl transformation checklist is ready. That means my PDF was built. Now let's check it. There it is. You see that? Now let's open it. I'm just trying my best to like, you know, remove these guys from my site, but I'm struggling so much to do that, like a lot. This is a struggle. Where is it? I think it's somewhere around here. Oh, there it is. It's been hiding from me for so long. There. Now you can see it. I just made this into a PDF using Python. This Python. Yeah, this guy right here. Just want to make it girly. My stuff have to be personalized a lot. I recognize that about myself lately, that my stuff have to be recognized. See, PDF saved to Amahle girly transformation checklist PDF. Done. Using Python. It was saved to my downloads. Here are my downloads. You see? Here they are. And this is what was saved. My girl transformation manifesto. Basically this thing just has the things that I want to have, like more things, you know, like as you can see, hoodies, crops, tops, whatever. Yeah, fucking short, medium, whatever, blah blah blah. My kitchenware, my skincare set. As you can see, cleanser, serum, moisturizer, SPF, lip liner, lip gloss, because I don't wear makeup. I just wear my lip liner and the lip gloss. I'm just, you know, I'm comfortable in my skin, natural, plus I feel like I'm still young. In case you like want to know other stuff that I made before this, I think you would be glad to like know these are one of them. You see this one on the screen right now? This one, start with this one first. I still have to like run a script where I can put images, so I can save images to this page. This particular page is for images, like I'm gonna use Pinterest, that's why it's named Pinterest Inspo. My accessories, this is like the advanced PDF. So basically, like all I did, which is the reason behind this video, I made like the PDF come to life. Like I ran the script and I debugged every bug that was, you know, preventing my PDF to be saved to my Windows. So I used Copilot to assist me with that, to like help me know what to do. And so that was just basically what I was doing all along in this video. I made this right now, like I just decided to draw something. It looks cute from afar, and this is like an egg basically, and a little flower. I just drew that today basically. Yeah, I drew that. So another thing was that I just want to personalize my stuff, and I want to make this sophomore year feel like something to remember, not just school, but like I want it to be like a good experience for me and memorable. As someone who draws inspiration a lot from a lot of things, I wanted to make it a beautiful experience. And right now I'm not only sticking to my hobbies, but I'm also like learning a lot of things in the process, you know, just dedicating to things that you love. I'm just gonna erase this. I don't know why. I'm literally being serious about it, but I'm gonna erase it later. So this is the rest of my girly era, girly guide. Like, it has things that I want to have for my room, more clothes, more shoes, skincare set for my skin, hair, and accessories, basically. My notebooks. I want to buy in a tab. Maybe a Samsung S9 will do. Yeah, so far those are my things that I made come to life. Like this one, I really love this one personally. I feel like maybe it's because I haven't seen all of it, I've only seen this cover. Like, if you look at this clearly, she remembered who she was and the game changed by Lala Delia. You're allowed to be both a masterpiece and a work in progress. I agree with that. Dress how you want to be addressed. You see how this is like a theme for my girly era? And this one is for me. It says, soft but not weak, pretty but wonderful, feminine and completely free. Bloom exactly where you're planted, okay? Thank you, my room essentials. Shoes, sneakers. I'm a really Snickers fan, so I'm basically like on Snickers. My skincare. I'm really into like skincare because my skin is really sensitive, so yeah. I'm thinking of turning this into like a shared experience, like an inspiration board. This one is empty, so I have to put stuff in here as well. So I feel like, you know, I should make this a shared experience, like, and share it with other people. Turn it into like a business, but also like a non-profit, you know, business. For people who are just like me, I know that I'm not the only one who has this, you know, kind of time in their life where they feel like a bit unmotivated sometimes, but they just care so much, you know, about their future and stuff like that. And it's not only that, but a lot of people are looking up to you and what you do with your life and your blessings. So as a writer and aspiring director, aspiring, what can I say? I'm an accounting major, by the way. I aspire to be a lot of things, like a musician, I'm a songwriter, I'm a writer. I want to publish my books. I have a lot of unfinished books saved here on my laptop and by hand. I've been writing since I was like 13. Like, I still get inspiration. Like, if a scene pops up in my head, I immediately like put it down or record it on my voice. So yeah, I get that a lot. And sometimes when I'm in like a public space, I don't know what to do. But just because the idea in my head is just so insane and so fire, I cannot help but just whisper it and record it. So yeah, this is what the video is about. My journey, learning to debug a script, a code, just to make it work for me, and so that I get a hold of my AI generated PDFs. I made them come to life, and I'm gonna tick off a few stuff once I've gotten them. I have a mug, so I'm gonna tick that right now. Like tick. A mug. Okay, that was a really ugly tick. So I'm gonna try and, erase that. But yeah, that's just my journey. And I just wanted to make this video so that I can share. I have a pretty glass tumbler, just one, but I am gonna get two, so I'm gonna tick this once I get like two of them. I have bowl set, basic cuddly set. I don't think I need a dish drying rack. I really don't. I have the face towel, so I'm gonna take that off. My ticks are really ugly, but yeah. Some of the things that I want to get are in here. Like I said, I'm going to buy an Android tablet, an iPad. I don't know about an iPad, but yeah. Noise cancelling, those ones are like at the top of my list at this moment, because not only do I have no headphones, but I also just want noise cancelling on so that they help me focus. My laptop is black. I don't know why I put that in there. I don't want any stickers. Oh, it's because I said I don't want any stickers on my laptop, and I like it clean and minimal. Yeah, that's just it. As you can see, like my desktop is girly and stuff. Like I try to make it girly as possible. I changed that like today, by the way. If I were to open personalizations, let me see how this would work. My background, which is like right now on my laptop, I had put in this before, but it seemed too, I don't know, it seemed a bit, well, yeah, as you can see. I wanted to fit though, I don't know why it's like that. I wanted to fill the screen. Yeah, this is how it was before. It was like this. As you can see, KMB, like KPMG, because I'm an accounting major and I'm gonna work at an accounting firm someday. I'm not sure whether that's where I'm gonna start, but yeah. I also put in this, okay, because I like solid colors, like dark colors, but this pink one, it matched with my aesthetic right now because I'm into pink a lot. Like I feel like I'm in my pink girl era. So yeah, I'm just gonna put, this is what I had before this one, by the way. Like for 3 months now, from February to April, I've had this aesthetic. So I'm just gonna put this one and make it fit like before. So this is how it was before. And then I made it fit and not fill. And the solid color is pink in the background. I could have had like purple, but then I didn't feel like it. But now actually it kind of looks pretty. I'm thinking of keeping it. Ooh, yeah, it looks pretty. Maybe it's because I'm talking too much and I feel like this purple fits. But I'm gonna go back to pink, so whenever I feel like it, I will, yeah. End of the video. I hope you enjoyed me blabbing and doing crazy stuff on my screen. Bye. And And you cannot see my face for now, but yeah, maybe one day we'll work things out. Boy, you got me tripping, got me falling.